Follow this guide to set up an automated version of your ROAMfilter Plus. First, connect the clean hose to the safe pathogen-free water supply. Connect the other end of the clean hose onto the inlet hose connector at the bottom. It is also highly recommended to use our hose clip to secure it. Connect short hose to drain valve and open. Slowly turn on the main water supply. Do not drink this water as it has not been filtered. After approximately 5 minutes, you can now close the drain valve. Turn off the main water supply. Now, you can open the front tap and the main water supply. Once you see water flowing out of the front tap, you have completed the automated operation of your ROAMfilter Plus. Remember to close the main water supply once done.